Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Fivem without Rockstar account. So let's start. It's possible to do it. Well, I'm here on Quora and let's read the answers from other users that say about it. It says that it's not possible. You've played it with Rockstar account. Is the DRM solution YouTube uses? Is there even on the Steam version top on the Steam DRM when you install the game? So first, the game installer activates the game key provided by Social Club account to create every time. So it's possible to play it, but you have to have an account on Steam. On Steam, you can download any game that you prefer. Sometimes the games have price, and sometimes are free. So you only have to write it, and of course, it should appear here and you have to find if you have the game here. As you can see, there are games that are free, some of them are have a price, so depend on it, and you can download and install on your PC in this case, or in your device, depend on where are you playing. But this is possible to play on other as exception that is Rockstar Club, of course depend on what you like. But well, that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.